with you this afternoon is Teacher Tina. I'll be handling the basic 1 pupils, and we are going to treat English language this afternoon. Our topic is subject-verb agreement. What is subject-verb agreement? Subject-verb agreement, in other words called concord, is the agreement between the subject and the verb in a sentence. This agreement has a number of rules. For a sentence to be correct and complete, there has to be agreement between the subject and the verb in the sentence. The number 1 rule says a singular subject takes a singular verb. Example, she is a girl. Here we have the pronoun here as the subject, followed by the verb is. She is a girl. The second one said Emeka goes to school every day. You cannot come and say that Emeka goes to school while that you have a singular subject on the sentence. So to make it correct, you have to make your verb to appear in the singular form. That's why we have goes instead of go. Ada sings very well. Instead of sing, being in the plural, we now use what? Sings. Ada sings very well. I believe you remember that singular means 1, while plural means what? 2. Good. Shall we continue? Yes. Number 4. Nneka is cooking. The same thing that I explained here is happening over there. Nneka is talking about one person. Why is a singular form of a verb that follows the subject because it is referring to one, which is singular. Number 2 rules. The agreement, as I said, is have a number of rules. The second rule there said if the subject of the verb is plural, then the plural form of the verb should be used. Examples. Number 1, they are girls. They is plural, which is our subject and the sentence, followed by plural form of a verb. We have is, and we have what? The plural form of is are. That is why it appeared here, because what we are talking about is in the plural form. Number 2, we go to school. We is not talking about one person, rather it's talking about more than one. That's why we used go instead of girls, as you saw in the first row. Ada and Nneka are friends. We are referring to 2 persons, which is a plural. So plural subject will be followed by a plural verb, which is are. The third rule. The pronoun I and you, there are special cases. Even though the 2 of them appears in the singular form, they are used with a plural verb. Example, I have a pen. Looking at my hand, you will see I have a marker. So instead of using I has a marker, which is totally wrong, I will make use of what? Have, which will be in the plural form. The number 2 example says, you are a pupil. You here is referring to one person, but we cannot make use of is because it's totally wrong. So we make use of what? You are a pupil. Number 3, you need to eat before taking your drugs. Hope you are following. Good. For your homework, you have your grammar books with you. Go to page 30 and answer all the questions on practice 1. Alright kids, we've come to the end of today's lesson. I remain your teacher, Tina. Have a nice day. Bye.